Defiance boats. Wanted to bring you guys another video. This one today, our beautiful 220 Admiral Ex version. So this one does include the extended platform, the offshore bracket. Wanted to go over a couple cool features with this. One thing that we like to point out is our second station with this. So we have a tremendously economical way that we call the pass-through station, that you can bring your main controls back here and set them up. So if you're a little bit more conscious of the dollars that you're spending and you want to try to save some of that for electronics or some other goodies, we got a great solution for controls at the back. This model here that we're showing you today, we got our 12-inch cockpit rails on here. Adds a little bit of extra safety and security for some folks that might like to feel a little bit higher of a rail here. Still is easy to get the fish through, still easy to fish over this and lean over it. We did put the downrigger pads on there for guys that are looking to run downriggers. This one we put the Yamaha 225 on. You'll notice we have our full length swim set platform. This covers the whole of the transom of the boat, makes it easy to get on and off out here, makes it easy to walk around. That's the Defiance kicker bracket. This specific one we also put the stainless steel boarding ladder on as well. So real clean, easy rigging, nice clean Defiance closeout, plenty of room on this deck. You can stack crab pots, shrimp pots, plenty of room for you and your buddies, your family. Easy access, easy maintenance. Sea cocks are easy to reach. We have the pump out for the fish box, bilge pump, all easy to reach and access and keep clean and orderly. Defiance with our in-floor fish boxes here. These are both hooked up to a pump, and they do get pumped overboard. So you can put ice in there, you can put fish in there. We use a gulper pump style, so it's really easy, doesn't get clogged up, gets it off the boat for you. In-gunnel rod holders are standard with the 220. So you have plenty of room for all your poles. If you're running multiple poles, multiple people, easy to keep everybody organized and not get tangled up. This is our Defiance rocket launchers. This is the 8-pack rocket launchers with the spreader lights. So you get plenty of light on the deck as well. Nice heavy duty aluminum doors, all AJR, very nice setup. Locking, so you can put things in the pilot house and keep it locked and safe if you're storing it in the marina or keeping it in a slip. Come on inside the pilot house, you guys. And this is another spot that the Defiance shines. We have tons of headroom. I'm about 6'2", I still have room in here. The step down is small versus a lot of the competition, so it's really convenient to walk in here. We have an additional midsection bilge pump area just for added safety and security that is accessible. Nice thing about the 220 Admiral is there's room for seating for 4 full-size adults in here. Most of the competition's only going to get you 2 in a 22-footer. We got room for 4, 2 side seats, along with storage boxes, captain, co-captain. These can be upgraded to suspension seats as well. No rotted batteries with your Defiance. We keep the batteries inside the pilot house. Nice and easy to maintain, last a lot longer. The battery switch, easy to reach, easy to turn on and off. On this model, we also put a porta potty in here. That's available. We could do a flushing head or a porta potty, just depends on what you're thinking. A fully finished headliner, just a nice clean carpeted design, keeps the sound down, keeps the warmth in. We have overhead dome LED lights. That way if you're leaving early in the morning or coming back late at night, you can still see inside the pilot house. Nice, clean, easy dash. Most electronics will fit in there. Easy gauges. We got our rocker switches over here. Trim tabs are standard on this as well. This pinnacle here is set up for the pass-through station. So there's actually a pin, pulls it out, slides it off, and you put it in the back to have full second station controls for your main as well. So lots of room in the V-berth. Their cushions can be put in here. You can also close this off for privacy if you want to use it as an overnighter for sleeping or privacy for your family. Definitely available too. 12-volt power outlet and USB ports are also available too. So hope you guys like this video. Take a peek at these 220s. If you're in the market for a new sport fishing boat and you want one of the best ones that money can buy, look no further than here. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. We really appreciate you watching, and keep tuned for future content.